gonna get fat and obese, so I'll make it through the winter. Freezing my ass off.
The two conditions that, like, you'd be more likely to live if you were obese are, like, in really cold or, like, the desert.
Watch it be Aaron.
No, it better be Steven. Fucking inside!
Aaron. Some stupid kid who called at like 9 in the morning.
It's Mary.
Oh.
Are you gone? Wow, are you coming sounds wrong. Your fault.
Come on, you can do it, you can do it!
Okay. No, like, put it in the ruts, like, boom. Because that's where the, like, good, it'll be all, like, slippery.
Take a trip to the hospital, what are you going to tell them?
That was my idea. Oh, there's a hole there. Yeah.
Yeah, but it turns that way. Okay. Do you want it to be funny or not? It's not funny unless I almost get hurt. Are you filming this right now?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to go down. Whoa.
I'm waiting for you to go down. I'm nervous. This is not a good idea.
So don't do it.